And this is my demo final presentation video for um, real-time multi-threaded networking. So I just have this is my client window over here. You can see it's client. And this is my server window. You can see server. So my server has a disabled client mode, and bird mode is not. Go down and select those. Local, we can play a locally hosted game, which we're just going to skip because it's not part of the demo and because our client over here is still waiting for me to host a game. So we'll go over here again and say host. All right, and so we've got the game and I guess let's leave them like this. I resized them. So we've got the missiles coordinated. Yep. Bouncing off walls, right? You can hear the latency. You can hear it because of the, that's how sound works, which is fun. Let's see if I can do that. Slightly better. Anyway. Okay. I've also, let's see the score change. We notice that I'm not good at this kind of game. Okay. Oh, and we're paying. The score works. Death. And now the score changes. Okay, so we see we've got them. I should have it on the wrong side. That's not good. But whatever. Yeah, I don't know how that happened. Or why the. I didn't notice that the score reset over there. That's also weird. But so here's my moving around. I've selected the client. Fix the score stuff. Well, not who's who. But yeah. So you just go ahead and through this. This is all done with networking. Sends a command, and so there's no physical body on the client's ship, but there is a physical body on the missile, which is because that way still use the physics to calculate the range and position, than having to. It was just a quick way because it was already in the code. Just reworking this game, not rewriting it. So, we can see on the video thing here that we're getting messages, and that's just default. I didn't change the output. That was the output was when the program was given to me. So whenever a message is received, which is get at least once a frame, a button press, but then those get, and not everything is the same button press. So I've got like lines on the different command. Player 2-1, hooray! Oh, and so we went back to the beginning, but I guess I didn't reset the. It reset the score, but in order to avoid calling update every frame on the score message, I see. You can see that it's updated on the client properly. Oh no, I missed. Okay. Trying to. Let me sound in the wrong controls. Okay. So there's my player 2 mines. Go ahead and show those. Arm and explode. And that all works. Yeah, we can see that obviously the client the score, the server not, but that's just the score. Go ahead and get a point here, and we can see that fixed the text. Because that's when it sets is when that message goes across the line. So I need should have that. So yeah, I've got a lot of different commands that we send. I've got this thing where it's kind of neat that I get this to work, which was easy. So now the client has connected, right? Let's just join in, and the client is back. You know, we see that the scores haven't been updated. The client yet. There we go. Now that that message has been sent. I need to. I hadn't anticipated getting that to work, so I didn't set up all of directions. So I've score points and names. No, so if I did not see, yeah, because those aren't similar. Just the current state of the ships is when that mid-game connection happens. That was part of the trying to get it to set up to work with stuff. Yeah, so that's thing. I've got all these different messages. Right, these are all my message types by output and input queue, as well as a data messages utility that uses some methods. You can just call on data message or anything that is a data message, and this so if you didn't, it makes sure that it's not null and then processes it. And I've got this here that tells me that I forgot to set up the whichever message type enum in question that I may have forgotten. A little fun reflection and type stuff. And so each of these has different things that it does. It gets ships. So the ships are numbered, obviously, 0 and 1. And they keep track of that by knowing ship get player ID, I think, is what I said. As I did the same with all mines have owners, just in case there's ever in the ID numbers, and to make the searching faster. Because every time you need to update a mine from the client, you also need to tell the server, oh, hey, that mine, that mine had a collision, so it needs to disappear and explode. Or that mine, that mine exploded, and the timers are running on both of them. But the early explosions, I have to send a message across to them, otherwise they just stay there. Similarly, oh, that did not go across. Oh. Okay. And wonk, 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 oh, wonk. Wins. So now if player 2 goes first, we do go back to the lobby. That's why I played through a whole nother round, was to show that we do go back to the lobby. But the lobby is already, the connection's already established, so this just all gets pushed right through. And so if player 2 can disconnect, then this goes back to that menu screen that I had at the beginning. And so that's something. I still got everything running. I restarted the server here, so I just want to see, can I still play a local game? I still got a local game, it's not connected up to the server. So that's done by sort of treating the entire game manager as a state machine, but in not so beautiful a way, because it's just full of if statements and switches. But you know, it works. So that's fun. Now the that host client rejoin thing, that is only one way. So the host is going to just sit here and be like, "Well, I need a connection," and this because it doesn't actually process any of the key presses. You know, it's still fully running and listening, and everything's updating, but it there's nothing to update the information, so that's not great. So they'll never connect. In order to connect, I used a method. Something's wrong with my IntelliSense right now, so we're going to get a bunch of real fun red squigglies going here. Yeah. Even though I can even, go to definition. But regardless. And these are all very real messages. So I use discover local peers and the port number. So it looks across the subnet and checks, looks for a discovery signal. It sends a discovery signal out into the subnet, according to the Lidgren documentation. And then, since I have the server listening for a discovery connection, or discovery guy thing, it connects up. Also, could have done where you read a string in here, or read a file in and get a string. And I did set up initially with the client on the server side. Let's see, game manager menu. This is not the lobby I used. This was a placeholder lobby. I ended up using the lobby that was provided to us. The menu screen did have. Oh, I deleted it because it just stopped working. And was a lot of text. It did have a text entry system that created a string. So if anybody has access to my version control and rolls it back far enough, they'll be able to find that. Okay, so yeah, so that's fun, and that's my version of Omega Race, and thanks for watching my video. Take care. Thanks. Like and subscribe to my video on YouTube channel. Thanks.